Greetings, greetings, greetings. Tell me something. The things we don't have when we really, really love are things where you can see, are things where you can't see. Think about it. And while you don't think about it, if you want more people to hear God, talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with all of your friends. Them. And if you don't do it yet, may I invite you to do it now. Yeah, click the subscribe button and the notification bell too, to make sure so you no miss none of what I go on. Right, yeah, so.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as according to Matthew chapter 6, from verse 19 to verse 24. Nobody gather up treasure for yourself, whether you so on earth. You see us so? Man then sitting there. We call nyam up on you sitting there. And then we get rusty and mash up. Plus, thief there. And then we come broke in and take where you sitting there. What if you do? A pile up on treasure up at heaven. No dead so. Them now go get rusty and mash up. And no thief no dead for broke in and thief no sitting them. Cause anyway, uno treasure there. And this uno heart set. So at that, uno go think about all the while. The eye them are like lamp. And them give the whole body light. So if your eye them good, your whole body will full of light. So uno will see good where uno a do in every part of uno life. But if uno eye no good, then the whole body not go dark up. Cause if this sitting with a good light dark, then lot of massive man uno well dark then. Nobody can serve two masters. You will eat one and love the other one. Or you will run go do anything where one want, but not do business with the other one. Uno can serve God and money. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.